Okay, here we are, 198 Baltic Road here in Franklin, Connecticut. If you've been looking for a home in a rural setting, this is it. With breathtaking westerly exposures, beautiful sunsets there. We are up the hill, 800 feet set back off the road, off Baltic Road. And the property, we have a 3-car garage right here. The third bay is the side loading bay on the back right there. And we are situated on just over 5 acres. This home was built in 1993. We've got 4 bedrooms. Bedroom 4 is on the first floor, could be used as an office. We have 2 full baths. Full bath number 1 is on the first floor. We have a detached workshop, and it's just a peaceful home. The setting right here, we are surrounded by 600 acres that is in agriculture status. The fenced-in area is a great spot for you. That's for your furry friends. We've got a kennel in that area. Garage bay number 3, it's a heated and air-conditioned kennel area. So if you've got a dog, that'll be the spot for you. So when we come in, one of the things that the sellers really love is they absolutely love this 8-foot deep porch, because we have just an amazing location. The sunsets are incredible right there, but we'll take you through this top to bottom in no time. So some of the things that I want to point out: 2x6 construction, modern thermopane windows, Harvey windows with grills between the glass. We've got freshly refinished hardwood, select red oak hardwood, and fresh paint in most areas. The living room comes right into the kitchen area, and formal dining right here, or the eat-in kitchen area. That door right there goes down to the basement. We'll do that last. Beautiful quartz countertops, and these cabinets, they are inset in terms of the construction, and these are hand built. The seller, because he's got his workshops, how about Formica bottom to the interior of the cabinets, which are inset style. Brand new appliances here in terms of your dishwasher, your cooktop. Do you like storage in your kitchen? This is amazing right here. The way that the planning was done in this kitchen. Just love it. Lots of rollouts, lots of drawers with the Formica base. You've got your Bosch wall oven, microwave shelf right there. And this is your everyday entrance right here. This space is my mud area. When you're grilling or you need to let the dog out, here's your kennel area in the backyard. The garage is amazing. And don't forget, we've got really 4 bays. We've got 3 bays right here. So garage 1, garage 2, your everyday daily drivers can be in this location. Here is garage bay 3, the side loader. The kennel access is right around the corner door coming into this heated and air-conditioned kennel space. We have a great storage area up top, and this is a attic space that spans the entire length. It's 36 feet. Goes from that end to that end. So great spot for you there. Coming into the everyday entry, again, your mud entry. Friends and family, probably going to come in this side door right off the paved parking area. And like I said, bedroom number 4 is located here on the first floor. It's right here. Let's show you, front left. So if you have the work from home opportunity, how's this for a space? and not a bad view. Nice reach-in closets right there. Full bathroom right here. Double vanity, tiled floor. We've got the walk-in shower, nice deep linen closet right there. 2-zone oil-fired baseboard hot water system. Got central air also in this home. So coming up to the second floor, central air supply right there. Second floor thermostat right there in the hall. Here is some pre-finished hardwood. I'm in my master right now. Again, the beautiful western views right here. All of the land in the front yard. Look at the satellite view. We'll show you that's a little bonus space for you. Beautiful walk-in closet. Allergy friendly because we have tile or hardwood throughout the whole home. I'm on the right front corner right here. Nice reach-in closet right there. Bedroom number 3. This is the bedroom that will have the view into the backyard. And again, the abutting 600 acres is in agricultural use. Tub shower right here. We have beautiful granite countertop, tiled floor. Some nice linen storage right here. The bonus space I wanted to share with you before we head into the basement. How's this space? Nice little walk-up attic. All finished off with the floor. There's insulation in the floor, insulation up in the rafters. Central air AC air handler right there. And we're going to get down to the basement. The basement has a couple different things going on. We've got a new boiler, oil-fired boiler, electric hot water heater. That's also new. Washer dryer right here they convey. 2 forms of heat. You got the wood burning stove right here. We've got the new boiler right here. So another big bonus. You can pretty much make it through the winter with these twin 275-gallon tanks. We've got a modern 200 amp service right here. Generator panel is right here. So if you do lose power, portable generator hookups available to you. Nice dry basement. We've got a great water system. Cellar did do testing and found out they had some radon, so we've got a aeration mitigation system for radon in the water. Nice little basement workshop. Bulkhead, that goes to the outside, backyard. But let's just wrap this up with the icing on the cake. And that's going to be my garage number 4, which is my outdoor workshop, heated by a wood stove. We'll just walk on over here. Also got a detached shed right there. By the way, my well is there. My septic system is in front, so you can do whatever you want in the back. I just love this space right here. So here's my wood stove. Notice all the outlets around the perimeter. Bring your summer car in here. We got a separate sub panel right there. And guess what? We have plenty of storage in this home. Here's another unfinished attic. So I would definitely schedule your showings today. Get a hold of your favorite agent. This home is surely going to be going under contract quickly, because where can you get 5 acres with just simply breathtaking, amazing views? Thank you for watching.